recording. Okay, so everybody, if you have 4 o'clock, 4:30, 4:15, and 4:45, I would like you to do the 4 different clocks and what is the degree they formed for me, okay? Okay, when you're done, please let me know. I have received Jordan's. Jordan, make sure they're all right, okay? And after that, I'm going to explain how to do them one by one.
Done.
Okay. Other than Jordan, nobody sent it to me yet. What are you
No.
doing, Amelia? Are you finished? Or
So
are you
like I'm doing 4:45.
okay?
Okay, I'm sending it to you.
Okay, everybody. I have received Amelia's. Amelia, you are still on me another one. Okay, good. So I don't know if Alex and Taylor, you're doing this or not, and Claudia. So I'm going to start to explain, okay? So even Taylor, you may not get very well understand for the 4:45, but we can still do the 4 o'clock, 4:30 and everything, right? So everybody, when you have 4 o'clock, this one's very easy. The minute hand's pointing 12 and the hour hand is pointing 4. So exactly the time will be what? 30 times 4 equals 120 degrees. Correct, everybody? So this is
Yes.
the most, like the easiest one, okay? So let's take a look at the second one. So 4:30. So when we do the 4:30, boys and girls, we need to do which part is the easiest one? Of course, the minute hand is pointing 6, right? So 4 o'clock is like here, but this is 5 o'clock, so we can do what? 4:30. Thank you, Alex. I have received yours as well.
I just realized I had to like move the hour hand.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is 30, and because it's 4 to 5, it's exactly half of them. So it's 30 plus 15 equals 45.
And then 4:15 is
Okay, so let's take a look at 4:15. Okay, again, I'm going to ask everybody, the first thing is always what? The minute hand. Right, because minute hand is straightforward. This is on the 3 time, right? So where is the hour hand? It's 4. This is 4, this is 5, this is 4:30, this is 4:45. Okay, so you can just think about it as you cut this 30 degrees into 4 parts. So each part is 7.5. So 4:15 is what? Exactly 30 plus 7.5 equals
37.
30.5. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at last one, 4:45. This is something like we are not very good at, but like I said, always the minute hand, so 45. Okay, so 4:45. So this is
45 is
this is
20.
4:15, this is 4:30, this is 4:45. Okay, so if you do the graphing, Taylor, if you do drawing them, you're gonna find out actually this is 7.5, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 30 times 4 plus 7.5 equals 127.5. Okay. So let me see, Alexander, congratulations, you get all of them right. Okay, so Amelia, your calculation is having a little bit problem. And Jordan, I think the
I
last
forgot to
Huh?
move the hour hand. I forgot to move the hour hand.
Okay, yeah. So you have some problems. Okay, so boys and girls, if you are, I think Alexander did really good. Okay, so let's just do another set. Okay, so the first one, 6 o'clock. So question is getting harder. Okay, so 6:15, sorry, 6:30, easy. So number 3, 6:15, and number 4, 6:45. Okay. So 4 questions.
I'm done.
OK，做完以后发给老师啊。 Okay, I have received Jordan, Amelia's, and Alexander's. Good job. Taylor, did you send it to me?
I can't send it to you.
Oh, yeah, you can't. 你不能打字是吧？
I have WeChat, but WeChat is something's wrong with it. Well, I just got WeChat yesterday.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start to explain, okay? So everybody, again, 6 o'clock. So I want to ask Taylor, what kind of angle it is?
You mean degrees or angle?
Degrees.
Oh, 180 degrees.
Very good. It's basically a line, right, Jordan? So it's 180. Very good. Okay, so boys and girls, let's take a look at this one, 6:30. So this is the minute hand. This is the hour hand. Okay, so if you take a proper look, you're going to find out it's actually very close. It's exactly 15 degrees. Good job. Okay, I think everybody get it right. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 6:15. So again, we're going to do the minute hand first and 6:15. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, and 6:15 is what? It's just 7.5, so 97.5 is the number 3. Good job, everybody. So Amelia, I think for this one, you are making mistakes again, okay? So did you draw the graph? If you draw the graph, there's impossible because you obviously you only have 2 30 degrees. Right, it should be have 3 30 degrees, okay? So last but not least, okay? Jordan, 你在干嘛呢？上数学课去打篮球啦？要不要打屁股？要不要打屁股？Okay, 6:45. So this is 45. This is 6:45. Okay, so if you take a look at this one, it's exactly 130, 230, and 7.5. So the answer is 67.5. Okay, so Amelia, you need to take a look which part you're making mistakes. Okay, so make sure you understand all of them. Okay. Okay, so boys and girls, today we're going to just move forward to the next one. Okay, I don't know if you're having Jordan 回来啦. Okay, so we're going to talk about 6. Sorry, I do 4. Okay, much easier. So how about 410, 420, 440, and 450? Okay, so now let's move forward to the harder one. Like now it's not only just a 15 minutes apart, we're doing 410. Okay, so everybody, before I started, I want all of you to do the graphing on your own paper, like how to do a 410. How to do a 410, I want you to. Okay, so now I'm going to do the graphing for you, okay? So first of all, everybody, it's always the minute hand first, right, Amelia? So 410, so this is 4, this is 4 and 5, so 410 will be a little bit even smaller than 415, correct, Taylor? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, everybody, okay? So what is this little degrees, right? So the question is, everybody, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, no problem at all. So what is this little tiny thing here? Correct, everybody? Okay, so the most important thing is you find out the little tiny thing. Okay, so let me ask you, between 4 and 5, Jordan, what is a degree between 4 and 5? Is it 30 degrees? Everybody? Okay, so now what is exactly the time between 4 and 5? If your hour hand is going from 4 to 5, it's 1 hour is going to be passed. Correct, Taylor? Okay, so that means 1 hour equals 30 degrees. Can we do that? Everybody, do you understand? Okay, so now that's saying 410, that means the hour hand is only do what?
32
10
divided by 6.
10 seconds, sorry, 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes. So let me ask you, so 1
Five.
hour is also what?
10 minutes with 5
60 minutes,
degrees.
right? 60 minutes, okay? So 60 minutes equals 30 seconds. So let me ask you, 1 minute equals how many degrees? 60 minutes equals 30 degrees. So 1 minute equals how many degrees? Very easy. It's a 30 minus 60 equals 0.5 degrees. Okay, so that means each minute, this hour hand is going to go through what? 0.5. So let me ask Amelia, how many minutes they're passing? 10 minutes. So the degree is exactly what? 0.5 times 10 equals 5 degrees.
5.
So the answer will be what? 65 degrees.
5.65 degrees.
Okay, so now let's move forward, okay? If you ever take the notes, we're going to move forward. Actually, so let me just do that, okay? So again, Amelia, every time you do those questions, you need to do the graphing, okay? So 420, so this question will be hard. Minute hand is pointing 4, so the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So this will be a very tiny answer. So how are we going to do it? Okay, so we want to find out this one. So again, we know that 60 minutes equals 30 degrees. And we know 1 minute, equals 0.5 degrees. So how many minutes are there? 20 minutes equals what? Equals 10 degrees. Get it? So the answer is 10 degrees. Okay, Alexander, very good. Good job. Okay, so let's move forward. So what is 440? Okay, I want everybody, if you're already on the track, so 440 and 450. How about you try to do yourself? 440 and 450.
Can I go use the washroom?
Yeah, of course, Jordan. Okay, I have received Alexander's. Alexander 和 Jordan 两个人答案好奇怪，两个人刚好相反。两个人答案是反过来。Okay, so let's take a look at this one, 440. Okay, so I am going to do the 440. So when we have 40, the minute hand is pointing 8. The hour hand is pointing here, correct? Okay, so this is very important, okay, Amelia. Because sometimes when you have 440, you say, okay, 40, teacher said 40 times 0.5 equals 20 degrees. And here is 30, 30, 30. Okay, so the answer is 30 times 3 plus 20 equals 110. This is wrong. Okay, why? Because you have to see 20 is this one because they have go past the 20 minutes. So it's 20 times, sorry, 40 times 0.5 is 20. It's no problem at all. But the thing is, what is a degree really covers? It's from here to there. So this is 20. The whatever left is 10. So it's 30 times 3 plus 10 equals 100. So congratulations, Jordan and Alex. I think you both like just do the same thing, but you change the degrees, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 4 150. Okay, so again, it's gonna be really, really small. So the rest of them will be very easy. So 30, 30, 30, and 30, and 30. So how many 30 is that? 150. So it's 150 plus something. So this one is what? Again, 50 minutes has passed. So 50 times 0.5 equals 25 degrees. So whatever left is 5 degrees. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 150 plus 5 equals 155 degrees. So congratulations, Jordan and Alex. And I'm not sure, Taylor, did you get it right? So yeah, I think you so right. Okay, so everybody, let's move forward to the next chat set. Okay, so 245, 235. Sorry. I should give you more practice for 440. So 210. No, 240. So 220 and 750. Okay, so 4 questions, everybody.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah. Okay. 嗯。好，小朋友们，老师来问一下啦。Jordan，你发给我了吗
我刚刚发给你。
？OK，好。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 245, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So 45 is here. So 245. Okay, so if you want to use my way, this is actually doable as well. It's 45 times 0.5 equals what? Because every minute is 0.5, right? So 45 equals what? Equals 22.5. But which one is 22.5? This one is 22.5, right? But this one is what? Then this angle will be like that. So 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So it's 150 plus 22.5 equals 172.5. OK，好，有些小朋友说，老师，我做的是这个呀。OK, so remember I said, Jordan 听好了。Remember I said, when we calculate the degrees, we usually tend to get the degree smaller or equals to 100 degrees, 180 degrees. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, 240. $240. So let's take a look at this one. So 40 is pointing 8, and this is 240. Correct? So if you have 240, it's something like that. So again, how many 30s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 150 plus what? So 20, so 40 times 0.5 equals 20 degrees. So this is 20 degrees. This one will be 10 degrees. So 150 plus 10 equals 160 degrees. Okay, Amelia, congratulations. You get it one right. Okay. So Jordan, let me see. Yes, you're right. Okay, so let's take a look at next one. So 220. Okay, so let's take a look at 220. So this is 20. This is 220. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 20 times 0.5 equals 10. So Amelia, 10 degrees what? Is this one. So whatever here is 20. So 20 plus 30 equals 50 degrees. 啊，又不对了啊，对不对？做错的小朋友看看哪里错了啊。Okay, 750. 750. So we pointed at the 50 first and the 750. 一定要把图画出来, okay? So again, we have 750. So it's 50 times 0.5 equals 25 degrees. So this is 25 degrees. So what is this one? This is 5. So it's 30 plus 30 plus 5 equals 65. Okay, Taylor and Jordan, everybody, did you get it? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay? So we're moving forward with the final stage, okay? So 417. Okay, so boys and girls, I want you to try to do this. Sorry, 417 is not a very good question. Let me just do 7:17. Everybody, 7:17.
How are we supposed to do like where's the
7 to 17. Okay, so I'm going to, everybody,
minute
this is
hand.
hard, right? This is hard, but the thing is, Jordan, why I give you time is I want you to do what? I want you to do 17 first. So this is 15.
It's just
This is-
720 minus 3.5.
Yeah, but this is 7, this is
Basically.
15, this is 7, this is 20, so this is 15. 50, so 15 to 16 and 17, correct? Okay, so now I want to ask everybody a very simple question. So, okay, 7. I didn't give you the 7 yet. I didn't give you the 7 yet. Let me do the 7 first. So this is 7. This is 7:15, 7:17, okay? Okay, so this time it's going to be really hard, okay? So I want you to pay a very extra attention. So let's take a look at this one. So actually, for this one, we're going to cut them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 minutes has been cut into 5 parts. So each of the parts is what? Is 30 degrees divided by 5 equals 6 degrees. Okay, I am going to do again. This one is not a perfect one. Get it, everybody? So this one is exactly pointing here. So we have 6, 6, and 6. So this one's 18 degrees. So this is 30, this is 30, this is 30, no problem. So let's take a look at this one. So 17 is what? 1 minute equals 0.5 degrees. So 17 minutes equals what? Equals 8.5 degrees. Correct? So the answer is 18 plus 90 plus 8.5 equals 108 plus 8.5 equals 116.5. Okay, so this question. Okay, so everybody, if you understand, I'm going to give you the second one, okay? And also that's the last one. So 622. 622. So boys and girls, 622. So based on that, I'm going to help you a little bit for cutting this one into even. So 22 is like that. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts. So this 4 to 5 has been cut into 5 equal parts. And I'm going to help you to put the 22 here. Correct? And 622. Okay, everybody, your turn. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Yeah, Taylor, what is your question?
No, I don't have a question. I'm just raising my hand.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so Taylor, I think you understand this is 5 degrees, this is 5 degrees, this is 5 degrees. So altogether it's 15 degrees, correct? Okay, Jordan, this is 30 degrees. So let's take a look at this one. What is this one? So 22. So 22 times 0.5 equals 11 degrees. Obviously, this is 11, so 50 plus 30 plus 11. Jordan 做错了啊，等于56. So 65 is the answer. Okay, boys and girls, understand? Okay, so that's pretty much today's we learned, okay? So if you want to just to review this, I have all the video has been uploaded on the Google Classroom, so you can just take a look. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Well, I wish you enjoyed it, and we're gonna. 哎呦，Jordan，你烦死了！我觉得你想用篮球砸我。Okay, so boys and girls, that's it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.